What's good, y'all? It's Ted the Money Mover, and I'm back at y'all again with another fresh ass cleaning. Let's get right to what we're gonna be doing today. So we got some more Jordan 12s. Y'all know how I feel about my Jordan 12s here. We definitely got some real dusty black. Want to get that back to that nice fresh black. So we're just gonna do a nice little cleaning today, and maybe even a restoration. Maybe it just depends on how I feel.
I used to put on my mask to eat, I used to go robbing creep. Shit, now I robbing jeans and I got the finer things. I'm smoking the finest weed, I'm living my wildest dreams. I got this with my niggas, ain't no I-team. I used to put on my mask to eat, I used to go robbing creep. Shit, now I robbing jeans and I got the finer things. I'm smoking the finest weed and living my wildest dreams. I got this with my niggas, ain't no I-team. I'm taking a trip down memory lane, I hit a lick on the middle, man.
As always, we're gonna take one shoe, put it to the side for before and after purposes.
It gonna be good. It gonna be good.
First things first, we want to take the shoe straight out, so I can see. After we take the shoestrings out, we're gonna take out the insole. As long as it's not glued down. I'm gonna leave this insole in here because I do believe that it's glued down to the shoe, which is fine. So I'm just gonna insert our shoestring anyway. Then to start our cleaning, we're gonna start off with our Refinishing kit. So while we still got a soft bristle brush, guys, we're gonna take the shoe tree out and clean the inside. So once we finish the outside and the inside with the soft bristle brush, we're gonna move on to our medium bristle brush. Go ahead and dig into those midsoles. Once we finish with our medium bristle brush, you want to go ahead and move on to your stiff bristle brush and clean the bottom of the shoe. Alright, so we finally got the shoes out the wash here. We got them looking kind of good. On this shoe, as you can see, I already started removing some of that yellow and ice in the bottoms. And I'm going to do the same thing with this shoe. We're just going to go through that process together and go ahead and set them outside. If you have an indoor setup, you can use the indoor setup. You want to go ahead and tape up the bottoms, basically all the area that you don't want to get sole sauce on, so that way the sun doesn't cause any separation on the bottom of the shoe. Whew. Alright, y'all, so after about 2 hours of taping just one shoe, we finally got the bottom all taped off. We finally gonna go ahead and put some sole sauce on it, wrap it up in our saran wrap, and set it outside. So when using the soy sauce, you're gonna shake it well. You kind of want to use gloves because if the stuff gets on your hands, it do burn. I burn myself. I mean, it's not like a super long burn, but it definitely burned. I burned myself a couple times. But I just don't feel like getting up to get no gloves, so we just gonna go with it. Alright, so we got our soy sauce applied, and we're gonna take our saran wrap, wrap the shoe up, stick that joint outside. Alright, y'all, so we got the shoes out the sun after we did the sun sessions. As you can see, we got the yellow one out the soles here. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and go around the shoe and do some touch-ups. We may have to do some sanding because there's some scratches in some of the toe boxes are going around. And we're definitely gonna have to repaint this part. Just go ahead and acetone that and just go right back over top of it with our handy dandy airbrush. And I think we should be done after that. First things first, we're gonna tape off all the areas that we don't want paint on. So I'm gonna just use some regular blue masking tape here, painter's tape, easy relief. Tape up all the white areas and the top of the black area here. So just tape up this here and then up here. Alright, so now we got all the paint off, we done acetoned it, so it's ready, it's prep for paint, it's dry. So I am going to be using this mix I made, it's already pre-made here. What I did to make the mix was just regular black, some Too Thin, some Cretex, Asian Promoter, and this much duller, because you kind of want it to be shiny, as you can tell, like on the original Jordan 12 playoffs, like the whole shoe was kind of shiny, like it really wasn't matte, so you don't want it to have that like matte dull look. So I didn't add a lot of duller, just this much. You could have did it without the duller and it'll still be fine, because I am going to put a gloss finish on the end, but I just want the undercoat to come out like this one on this side. It's that rope here, so I just did maybe a drop. So same deal, you want to apply nice thin coats, not super thick, really thin. It's okay if you can still see some of the white in there. I actually like this coat on kind of thick, but nice thin coats, let it evenly dry, even, and then you wait. You can use your heat gun and make the process quicker, or you can just set it, let it dry for like an hour, and then come back and do it again. We got the shoes all cleaned up. We got the back end finished. We got that nice fresh paint on there. We cleaned up around the edges. Before we put our finish on the shoe and complete it, we're gonna go ahead and remove these scratches out of the toe box using the sandpaper method, starting with 400 grit all the way up to 1500. Alright, so we got it all sanded here. If you can see, it's really roughed up. It's a nice smooth surface. We're just gonna take our acetone or our Angelus leather parent deglazer, some more cotton balls, take all that residue off, and then go ahead and tape up and paint it out. Alright, so I know some of y'all is wondering probably like, why the fuck is there so much tape on that damn shoe? But you know what? It's a lot of white areas on this shoe that I don't want to risk getting black over it. I've worked really hard to get this shoe clean, and I want to keep it that way, and I just want to focus on one specific area. So I just taped up everything else that could possibly be hit by the residue from the paint gun and left open that one specific area. So we're going to use the same mix we used for this for the toe box. Scratch where? Alright, so now we got the scratch removed. We got the scuff removed. We're gonna go ahead and remove the tape. Make sure that the toe box looks like the rest of the shoe. Make sure we have no residue here that slipped under all this tape. Better not slip under all this damn tape, but check just to make sure. This is our finished product. It's what we got here. And I can say it turned out pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. So what we did to complete the process is used our Rejuvenator 3 bristle brush laundry kit. We also used some Chris Customs Kick Soul Sauce in the sun or your indoor setup, depending on whatever you like. And then we just went on and used the tape, the airbrush, the sandpaper method to remove the scuffs from the front of the shoes, and just went on and repaint back over it, and we topped it off with our Crowdline crystal clear finisher from Michael's, Walmart, Lowe's, whatever department store you get it from. So if you enjoyed what we did in this video, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. and hit that notification bell so you see when we drop a banger. I see y'all next Tuesday. Bye.